Good morning, Levi. It's Saturday, but it's actually Wednesday when I'm recording this. I have spent the full week sitting in my dorm doing nothing, and I'm so bored, and I just want to go anywhere. So you might be wondering where I am right now. I have walked into a building. It closes at 9, and it's like barely 8 right now, so I'm just kind of in a building. I found out I can turn on the lights. You can't see it, but like, check it out. All off, all on. Look at that. So I'm hanging out. Thank you for watching all of my basketball videos recently. They have not been, I don't know, they weren't like the most intense videos like to make, so I feel kind of bad for putting them out, but I also really liked watching basketball. Hopefully you guys liked watching basketball with me. It's a lot of fun. I loved just hanging out with all the people that I love and making videos with them, and that was honestly the best part. I would have liked more basketball, but it's all right. Hopefully you liked that video I just put up on Wednesday. I spent a lot of time editing it. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like I could have done an extra pass on editing. I feel like I could have had the script looked over. I feel like I could have made it a lot longer so it made more sense. But you know, a lot of those things are things I'll improve for next time, and I've thought of a sequel video for that I think will stand on its own pretty well. It's been a very boring week. I don't know. I just feel kind of aimless. I don't know if it's anxiety, if it's boredom, if it's both. Probably both. But I'm just hanging out, doing my best. I might follow this up with another clip, but if I don't, I will cut it here. Levi, I will see you on Monday. I love taking mystery elevators to mystery floors, so we're going to the basement. Bet y'all have never seen a hallway this long before. Dang. They're really making this that huge. Look at that. Whew. I guess I'm going down there. So the end of the hallway not only has bizarre pillars going in a different direction. That's the door we looked at. And a door with no handle, so it's a mystery door. But it's also got some snacks, in case you got a hankering for nerds and you're not looking in a mirror. Hey! I found an empty classroom, but as soon as I started messing with stuff, it sounded like someone was in the building, so we're gonna leave. Turns out I was in the communications building, which is the major I got into recently. Woo, go me. But maybe I'll get to know that building a little bit more pretty soon. I found a TV, and it has a little pen, so I was using it to go into the web browser. Sadly, it does not work, so I cannot watch Scott the Woz in this lecture hall that I have my international relations class in. I know what you're thinking. This does look fun to crawl into. But nah, that's just dirt as a floor. I'm gonna get tetanus from all those screws down there. I'll pass.